In this video, I'll talk about how you can delete your account on TradingView. Now this is really easy, guys. What you want to do is head over to tradingview.com, log into your account, click on it, and then head to your profile settings. Once you're inside of your profile settings, as you can see right here, you'll be able to see your username and everything like this. Then you simply want to make sure you're under the settings, public info, scroll down until you find the delete button. Now if you want to delete, just click on account deletion, go in here and press yes, delete account. Now once you've done that, you can reverse it within 1 month. So if you don't want to delete it completely, you can get it back within 1 month. But after 1 month, it will be completely fully deleted. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.